Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Love County in Grady County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, eastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, western Murray County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Stevens County in central Oklahoma, McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southwest of Verdon to 4 miles northwest of Bray to near Velma to 5 miles southeast of Grady, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, Ardmore, Chickasha, Newcastle, Blanchard, Anadarko, Falls Valley, Purcell, Davis, Mustang, Tuttle, Lone Grove, Slaughterville, Lindsay, Hedden, Wynwood, Lexington, Goldsby, Wilson, and Maysville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.